Hey guys, it's Alicia with WTI, and we've been really happy with this driver from PLUSPOE. This is a 24 volt 50 watt dimmable LED driver, and we found this super helpful. So we were installing some over cabinet lighting using LED strip lights, and we were also using this with a dimmer, and this driver was the perfect thing to be able to install these lights, and they are awesome. We absolutely love them. So this dimmer was super simple to install, and we found that it does not flicker, and it does a great job of powering up these strip lights. This driver is really small, so it's perfect when you are trying to tuck it into places like over cabinets. And it is nice because it's energy efficient and also has overcurrent protection. It doesn't have any issue with buzzing or overheating that we have seen. And it definitely was easy to install. It does come with a 10-inch DC cable, but you can also take that off if you are using this in a hardwired project. We used several of these for the lighting, and they were awesome, and we were super happy. So we've been really happy with this product, and that's my point of view.